Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on PIN numbers to verify your rides on Uber. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use Uber and just to make sure that you're safe, you want to go ahead and turn on PIN. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Uber. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, scroll down, then click on Settings. Then scroll down and click on Verify Your Ride. So this is where you could actually go ahead and toggle on and off pins to verify your rides. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on PIN to verify rides. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the